Good day, viewers. Today's topic is derivative of exponential function. Okay, let me start by saying that the derivative of this exponential x, that the derivative of that is still equal to exponential x. In my next video, I will show you how to find the derivative of this. The formula for finding for differentiating is if we have x raised to power n, the derivative of this is n x n minus 1. That means that the power goes behind, then we minus 1 from the power. Okay, let me return back to the topic of the day. If we have something like this, y is equal, look, this is number 1, this is number 2. If peradventure we have something like y is equal to exponential 2x, why is it that the derivative of this is equal to this? It's because if we pick x now to differentiate, derivative of a variable is 1. If you can check, there is invisible 1 here. I will bring down my 2x to differentiate 2x. I'm going to differentiate 2x now. Remember that this is raised to power 1. This is 2x raised to power 1 is equal to 2. I'll open a very big bracket. They say 1 behind. I'll keep in 1 here. X times x. The power n minus 1. I will say how to differentiate it. This is equal to 2. 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then x raised to power 0. So according to indices, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So here becomes 2. 1 times 1 is equal to 2. So now the derivative of this now will be dy dx is equal to 2 exponential 2x. Remember what I said here, that the derivative of this is 1. It is wrong in mathematics to write 1 here. It is very, very wrong. So if I still want to continue like that, if we have y is equal to exponential 3x, the derivative of this is equal to 3 exponential 3x. Have you seen? It's very, very simple. If we have derivative of if number 4, if y is equal to exponential 5x raised to power 2 now, we are going to bring down this one to differentiate to check something. 5x squared, 5 outside. Remember what I said, that the formula is if we have xn, it is always equal to nx n minus 1. So here will be 2 because 2 is here, times my x 2 minus 1. Have you seen now? So here become 5 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So here becomes 2x. 5 times this is what? Is 10x. So now the derivative of this is equal to 10x exponential 5x squared. So if we have something like exponential function like this, is for us to pick this, we differentiate the answer, we write it at the back, and we repeat the equation again. Remember, from here now, we differentiate here, we have to, then we repeat the equation again here. Here is exponential 3x, we differentiate this, the answer is 3, and we repeat the equation again. And here is the derivative of this is 10x, and we repeat the equation now. That is the same thing that you are going to do if a question like this is given. If y is equal to exponential sine x, dy dx will be equal to what? When we differentiate sine x, we are going to have cos x. So the answer becomes cos x exponential sine x. Exponential sine x. Then if we have if you have a question like this, if y is equal to exponential cos x, remember that the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So dy dx is equal to minus sin x exponential cos x. So conclusively, if a question like this is given, that is derivative of exponential function, is for us to differentiate this and we'll write the answer at the back. Then we'll repeat the question again. That is the question what is given at the answer again. It's very simple. Let me give you something to try and drop the answer at the comment section below. If y is equal to exponential tan x, find dy dx. Remember that you are going to differentiate tan x. Then you keep the answer at the back. Then you repeat this. Remember what I said, int. Remember what I said earlier, that tan x is always equal to sin x divided by cos x. For us to differentiate this, you are going to use product rule. Sorry, you are going to use quotient rule. This should be your u and this should be your v. So I'm just giving you hints. Just derive this. This is the formula to use. Du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So use this and differentiate and drop your answer at the comment section below. I'm coming back in the next video to continue from here. Thank you. Bye bye.